Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore OneNote pages using Microsoft 365 To restore OneNote pages using the Microsoft 365 Recycle Bin, begin by opening your web browser. Go to the Microsoft 365 login page. Enter your credentials to log into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the OneDrive application. In OneDrive, locate the Recycle Bin on the left sidebar. Click on Recycle Bin to view deleted items. Look for the OneNote pages you want to restore. You can use the search bar if you have many items. Select the pages you wish to recover by checking the box next to each item. After selecting the pages, click on the Restore button at the top of the page. The restored pages will return to their original location in OneNote. Next, open the OneNote application on your device. Navigate to the notebook that contained the restored pages. Check that the pages are visible and have been successfully restored. If the pages do not appear, refresh the notebook or restart OneNote. Ensure that the sync is complete if you're using multiple devices. You can now continue editing or organizing your restored pages as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.